Welcome to new videos. So today we are studying about the second 20-year road development plan. So that is also called as a Bombay Road Development Plan. So here we can find out the total length of the national highways, state highways, major district roads, other district roads and village roads. Okay. So in that we have a formula for the national highways. So national highways and state highways, it has also one formula. So for the different national highways and state highways and major district roads, it has a different formulas. By calculating single formulas, we can find out the different length of the state highways and major district roads. So like that we can find out the length of the roads. So here first one is the length of the national highway roads. So we have in a formula A by 64 plus B by 80 plus C by 96 plus 32K plus 8 times of the M plus D. So like that national highways plus state highways. So both combining both the national highways and the state highways, we are finding the total length, that is A by 20 plus B by 24 and C by 32 plus 48 times of the K plus 24 times of the M plus 11.2 times of the N and 1.6 times of the F. So and the third one is national highways plus state highways plus major district roads. By combining the three roads, we are finding the total length, that is A by 8 plus B by 60 and C by 24 plus 48 times of the K plus 24 times of the M plus 11.2 times of the N plus 9.6 times of the P plus 6.4 times of the Q plus 2.4 times of the R, and finally we are adding the allowable allowance, development allowance, that is a 5% 15%. So next, the length of the national highways plus state highways plus major district roads plus other district roads. By combining the four roads, we are finding the total length, that is 3A by 16 plus 3B by 32 plus C by 16 plus 48 times of the K plus 24 times of the M, 11.2 times of the N plus 9.6 times of the P plus 12.8 times of the Q plus 4 times of the R plus 0.8 times of the S and plus 0.32 times of the T plus D. So here we have seen that A, B, C. So A will indicates the development of agricultural area, that is in kilometer square or a square kilometer. So the always area will be indicated in terms of a square kilometer. So next, as usual, B is a semi-developed area, that will be indicated in terms of a square kilometer, and C is the undeveloped area. Area always is expressed in terms of a square kilometer. Next, K indicates the number of towns with the population over 1 lakh populations. So more than 1 lakh people, that will be indicated as K. Next, the M will be indicated as the population which is having the ranges between 50,000 to 1 lakh, and N will be having the population from 20,000 to 50,000, that is called a N. And now P indicates the population which is ranges from the 10,000 to 20,000, and Q indicates the 5,000 to 10,000, like that. R indicates the 2,000 to 5,000, and S indicates the 1,000 to 2,000. T is 500 to 1,000, and V is finally the number of towns and villages with the ranges below than 500 population. Less than 500 population indicates as a V. So ultimately here in the second, Bombay Development Road indicates that D is a development allowance which is having a 5%. In case of a Nagpur Road Development Plan, it has a 15% of allowable allowance, development allowance. In that second 20-year road development plan, the D will be indicated as a 5% of the total road length. So let's move on to the problem. In the given data, in the question they have given that calculate the total length of the national highways, state highways, major district roads, other district roads and village roads needed in a district. As per the Bombay Road Development Plan, the data are collected from the district are as given below. So they have given to find out the total length of the national highways, state highways, major district roads and other district roads and village roads by using a second 20-year road development plan, that is a Bombay Road Development Plan. So they have given the total area is 18,400 square kilometer. developed and agricultural area is 8,000 square kilometer. So developed and agricultural area, which is indicated as A. Next, undeveloped area, that is C. Okay, 4,800 square kilometer. So they have given the population ranges from 500 to 1 lakh. So they given the number of towns. For the 500 population, they have given the 200 towns are there. For the 500 to 1000, they have given 350. 1000 to 2000, they have given 750 towns. 2000 to 5000, they have given the 360 towns. Next, 5000 to 1000, they have given the 150. 10,000 to 20,000, they have given the 80. 20,000 to 5,000, 50,000, they have given the 25 towns. Now 50,000 to 1 lakh, they have given the 10 towns. So more than 1 lakh, they have given the 5 towns. So we have to find out the total length of the national highway, state highway, major district road, other district road, and the village road by using the formulas. Okay, it's very simple to use by applying the given data. So here we can see that, so A is in a agricultural area, they have given the 8,000 square kilometer, and B is in a undeveloped area, that is 18,400 minus of, okay, it is a undeveloped area. Okay, they have given, sorry, undeveloped area is in a C. Okay, an agricultural area is given by B. So 18,400, that is a total length of a total area, that is, okay, in that we have to minus the 8,000 plus 4,800. So 8,000 is a, they have given that. So developed agricultural area is 8,000 and undeveloped area is given a 4,800. In the total area, by minusing of both these things, developed area and undeveloped area, so we will get the unagricultural area or a semi-developed areas. Okay, we will find out the B. Okay, by minusing the total area, that is 18,400 minus of, okay, we have to add the both, that is A plus C. So A is indicated as a developed agricultural area, that is 8,000 plus undeveloped area is 4,800. So ultimately we will get the answer as 5,600 square kilometer. Okay, then they have given the population ranges, that is a K, M, N, P, D. Okay, C is a 4,800 square kilometer, K is indicated as 4, M is a 10, N is a 25, P is a 80, and D is a 50%. It's not 50, it's a 5%. They have given the development allowance as a 5% in the Bombay Development Plan. So first thing, we have to find out the length of the national highways. They have given the formulas. By applying the given data in the formulas, we will get the answer. So A indicated as an 8,000 divided by 64. 64 is a constant. B by 80 plus C by 96. B is a 5,600 divided by 80. And C indicated as 4,800 square kilometer. They have given in the question only. So next, 32 times of a K. K is given as a 4. Okay, they have given the value of K is a 4. With respect to the population, they have given the data. So 32 into okay, they have given the K is the value of number of towns with a population over 1 lakh. They have given the 5. Okay, here it is a 5 answer. K is the value of 5. So they have given 32 times of K is 32 times of the 5. Okay, plus 8 times of M. M is indicated as 10. So by considering all these things as a road length, okay, this indicated as a road length, for that condition we have to find out the 5% of, that is a development allowance. So 5% of road development length should be added in the length of the national highways. So ultimately we will get the answer of 485 plus, okay, road length will be getting as 485 kilometer. So for that we have to find out the 5% of the road length. 5 divided by 100 into 485. So ultimately total length of the national highway will be available as 509.25 kilometers. So we will get the answer of length of the national highways. Next is to find out the state highway. We have a formula that is a national highway plus state highway. Okay, already we got the national highways length, that is 509.25 kilometer, and when we have a formula of total length of national highway plus state highway, so by calculating all the values of a length of national highways plus state highways, we have to minus this length of national highway plus state highway minus of length of the national highways, that is a 509.25. ultimately we will get the value of state highways. So by applying all the given data in the formula, okay, we are getting the answers of the total length of the state highway will be the 1245.25 kilometer. Okay, everything will be given in the question, just we have to imply the given data in the formulas. So ultimately we will get the answers. So next we have to find out the major district roads. So we got the answers of national highways and the state highways. Okay, we know that national highways and the state highways. We have to find out the major district roads. So the total length of the national highways, state highways and the major district road, we have a formula by calculating all the things. So ultimately we will get the answer as So ultimately we will get the answer as 5147 kilometer. That is national highway plus state highway plus major district road. Okay, we will got the answers of total length of a major district road, state highways and the national highways. So in that answer we have to minus the national highways and the state highways length. So ultimately we will get the answer of major district roads. So in that we have to minus the 5147 kilometer, including the national highway, state highway and the major district road. So we have to minus the national highways and the state highways. By adding the both national highways and the state highways, we are minusing in the total length of the 5147 kilometers. So ultimately we will get the answers of 3392.5 kilometers. This is the length of the major district road. Okay, already. So now we have got the answers of length of the national highway, state highway and major district roads. Okay, again the next formula is to find out the total length of the national highway, state highway, major district road and other district roads. Okay, in that we have the formulas. So again we have to apply the given data in the formulas. Ultimately we will get the answer of total length of the national highway, state highway, major district roads and other district roads. We got answer of 8321.2 kilometer. Okay, so in the total length of that we have to find out the other district road length. Only we have to find out the other district roads. Already we know that length of the national highway, state highway, major district roads. So total length should be minus with the national highway, state highway and major district roads. So already we know that the total length of national highway, state highway, major district roads in, see here, 5147 kilometers. So ultimately we will get the answer of 3174.2 kilometers of other district roads length. Other district road length. So like that, again we have to find out the length of the village road. Only we have to find out the length of the village road. But the formula is for the entire length of the national highway, state highway, major district road, other district roads and the village roads. Okay, we have to find out the total length of these things. After that we have to minus the national highway, state highway, major district roads and the other district roads. So ultimately we will get the length of the village roads. Okay, the given data are given. So just to imply it answers, that is a given, that the formula is a by 4 plus b by 8 plus c by 12 plus 48 times of the k plus 24 times of the m plus 11.2 times of the n plus 9.6 times of the p and 12.8 times of the q plus 5.9 times of the r plus 1.6 times of the s plus 0.64 times of the t plus 0.2 times of the v plus d. So ultimately we will get the total length of national highway, state highway, major district roads and other district roads plus village roads. Okay, here we got the answer, that is a 10,642.8 kilometers. Okay, in that we have to minus the national highways, national highway, state highway, major district roads plus other district roads. So by making minus in the total length, we will get the answer of village road, total length of the village road, that is the, see here, 10,642.8 kilometer of total length minus of 8,321.2 kilometer, that is the, this answer is including the national highway, state highway, major district road and the other district roads. Okay, by making minus in this thing, we got the answers of village road, that is a 2,321.2 kilometers. So ultimately we got the answer of total length of a national highway is 509.25 kilometer, and the total length of the state highway is 1,245.25 kilometer, and the total length of the major district roads is 33.2 kilometer, 2.5 kilometer, and the other district road is 3,174.2 kilometer, and the village road is 2,321.6 kilometers. So this is the method to calculate the total length of the national highway, state highway, major district road, other district roads and village roads. So national highway, state highway and major district roads, these are all called as a surfaced road, and these other district roads and the village road is considered as an unsurfaced roads. Thank you.